Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are managing e-commerce store with WooCommerce, you might have noticed that default order status do not always fit your workflow. Today I will show how you create custom order status tab in WooCommerce such as shipped, RTO, packed, without any plugin. So let's get started. I am WordPress plugin developer with 11-year experience, expert in WooCommerce, geodirectory and high-price customization. I also expert in custom REST API and WP GraphQL development. If you are love customization, WordPress and WooCommerce, make sure to subscribe my channel. So in this video, I explain uh, with this plugin custom order status manager for WooCommerce, and now today we will add some code so that we can get this functionality mm, like in the order it is option available packed etc. In the last video we checked we added some order status like packed or other status, so we will get this functionality via custom code. So we do not use this plugin. So as why this plugin is not required, because if you check this plugin like uh, uh, okay okay this plugin, and if you okay, open containing folder, cool, and now check file size, and it is 2.4 MB, and it is taking our space also, and there is no requirement for this type. So and there are lots of file etc at here, so you can do by a simple coding by a snippet. So let's get started. In the first step, add status, like at here it is showing packed, so now I am adding one status. In the starting I give example with one status, and after that I added some code for generic so that you can add multiple status at there. So for that, uh, like mm add status, so for add status, go to your child theme. Okay, go to your child theme, and then paste code, and do not as best practice, do not put any code inside parent theme function.php. So at here you can see I added simple code with init, and inside that I added this status. So you can see these status at here. Wait a minute. Okay, okay, only I added status, not added this inside with filter, so it is not showing. So add register status to list of WooCommerce order. So via add filter WP order status, and now it will show inside our list drop down. So now it is showing drop down. Okay, so now we check. Okay, don't, sorry, I will change for another, because I want to change this step, means I want to put uh, hold old like pegged status also. So I am giving an example with another which is on hold. So going at here and changing status, and it is shipped update. Okay, and go again. Okay, cool. And now now as I have shipped, look, okay, it is coming as shipped, but it must not come, as I am using this plugin. So first I am deactivating order status, deactivate. Okay, now only shipped order is coming, and it is okay. Now two order is coming in shipping. Okay, fine, shipped, and now go at here. Now but in the at here, these buck action is not coming, like in the old by a old plugin. In the old plugin it is coming change status to pegged. So we many time we require some order with buck action. So for that, add buck action at here by a filter. So for at here I use filter buck action edit shop order and buck action WooCommerce page WooCommerce order, and it is simple. I pass change status to shipped, save, and now check again. Change status to shipped, now it is coming. And when we change this status and apply, but it is not changed because I do not handle this status. So for handle status you must add some code. Okay, so for handle status I just handle work action and edit shop order and edit callback function at here. So if mark shipped, then update status WP custom shipping. Okay, fine. Refresh again, and now it is pegged. Third one is with status pegged. Now changing by a work action, change status to shipped. Okay, now it is change shipped. And one more thing, one more thing, there is no notification is coming at here. So for update notification, add some code at here also, like admin notice. Okay, now this is with processing, so now updating again with change status. Now one order status. Okay, fine. And in the last we will do some code, like at here it is coming as pegged with style etc, but at here it is not coming shipped etc. So for that we can add some code, some css etc, like for that add a simple include that js first. So I added some code at here, and inside our child theme, add one file, one css file. Okay, new file. Okay, I think it is already here, custom order status.php. Okay, add that file, and now check. Okay, it is not coming, because if you check it here, this class is here. So go at here, and at here this is not available, so you can put that class and background color this and text color this. Okay, nice. Now access. I think it is some version issue. Yes. Now if our shipped, then it is showing with this. So but in the currently we do for only shipping. Now we want for packed, for RTO etc. So there are lots of status, maybe like at here, sorry, at here they added lots of status. We can add lots of status at here. So for that we can generalize our code. So for that I added some code at here. Directly you can copy this code and paste your function.php of child theme or inside snippet. Now I am doing with snippet, so that you can not required any change, any change inside function.php other than css issue. Okay, so I am removing this code. Don't worry, I will provide all code inside our description, so don't worry for it. Okay, okay, and there is no dependency with like state with our function .php now, and go to snippet and mm, click on add new and add some some status at here, some like custom order status at here. You can add any status name at here directly, and at here add some function no, some code directly, which I shared in my guest. So now save, change and activate. Okay, and now go at here. Okay, cool. Now go like I want to change this order as RTO, return to origin. Click at here, update. Now change, it is return to order is coming. Okay, fine. And now if you check, this style is coming. Yeah, this style also coming. Status. Okay, you can manage your style at your end, so there is no issue. Status custom RTO. Status custom RTO. Okay, I added some generic style, so status custom RTO is there. So now it is showing as return to origin. So via this method you can add custom status, and after doing this you do not require this plugin, so you can deactivate plugin. And that's it, guys. And if you now know how to add custom status in order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorial. Drop your question or experience with adding custom status without plugin. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.